Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate popsicles at home. Making your own frozen treats is surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. You'll only need a few common kitchen staples and some basic equipment. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you create a delightful dessert that everyone will love. Get ready to enjoy a cool, creamy, and rich chocolatey experience right from your own kitchen. First, let's create the rich chocolate base. In a medium saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly. Next, slowly pour in 2 cups of milk, stirring continuously to prevent lumps and ensure a smooth consistency. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the sugar fully dissolves and the mixture is warm, but be careful not to let it boil. Once your chocolate mixture is warm and smooth, remove it from the heat. Now, it's time to add that extra touch of flavor by stirring in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This enhances the chocolate's richness beautifully. It is crucial to let the mixture cool completely to room temperature before proceeding. Once cooled, carefully pour the liquid into your popsicle molds, insert the sticks, and place them in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or until solid. After patiently waiting, your homemade chocolate popsicles are ready to be enjoyed. To effortlessly remove them from their molds, simply run a little warm water over the outside of each mold for about 10 to 15 seconds. This slight warmth helps release them perfectly. These creamy, decadent treats are ideal for a hot afternoon or as a simple, satisfying dessert. Store any extra popsicles in an airtight bag or container in the freezer for future enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.